Welcome to our channel. Today we how to disable Microsoft Clarity on your website. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To disable Microsoft Clarity on your website, start by logging into your Microsoft Clarity account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the project you wish to modify. In the project dashboard, locate the settings gear icon, usually found in the top right corner of the page. Click on the settings icon to access your project settings. Within the settings menu, look for the section labeled Tracking Status. Here, you will see an option to enable or disable tracking. Select the option to disable tracking. After clicking Disable, ensure you confirm the change if prompted. Next, you'll want to check your website's source code. Open your website in a browser and right-click on the page to select View Page Source. In the source code, look for the Microsoft Clarity. The script tag typically begins with https://www.clarity.ms/tag/. Now, log into your website's content management system. Access your website's theme or HTML editor. Search for the location of the Microsoft Clarity script tag within the code editor. Once located, you can either delete the script or comment it out. To comment it out, wrap the script tag with HTML comment tags. For example, use before the script and after. After making your changes, save the updates to your website. Now, revisit your site and perform a refresh. Check the page source again to ensure the Clarity script is no longer present. Finally, log back into your Microsoft Clarity account to confirm that the tracking status shows as disabled. You have successfully disabled Microsoft Clarity on your website. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.